So hello guys and welcome back to my new video. So guys, in today's video we are going to do M187 tips, means not M187, woodpecker tips and tricks. Let's go on the training ground. First let's take a pan, and where did woodpecker go? Here it is. Who was this? I don't get. So now this, and let's take on silencer. I never leave attachments. So guys, there are only 2 or 3 tips and tricks for this gun because it is a very powerful gun. The first tip and trick: try to aim on the, what was this? Try to aim on the, like, the between part, between here. Look, this area. Understood? Now the second tip and trick: scope in and scope out fast. Where was the enemy? I'll show that trick again. Enemy. So the damage increases if we do that. Little bit only. Finally 1 kill with woodpecker. Two kills. Yes. The same you can do with SVD. And guys, just show you one more thing. I'll just show you my custom HUD. Guys, you have to keep this custom HUD to just use the things. The auto there, I'll keep it here. Here. Not here, I think. Yeah, this is the good place. Yeah guys, so you have to make this custom HUD. You can make it till 5 minutes, means not 5 minutes, 10 seconds. I'll wait. And if you think that this is less time, so you can just pause the video and do it. So we have finished. Yeah, this is the best custom HUD. And guys, now the third tip and trick time. Shoot pan. Shoot pan. And while this, you can also do like this and run. So enemies can't. And guys, this tip and trick is the best. Hey! Who was this? So guys, there are only 3 tips and tricks for this. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And bye till the next video. This was only one type of shorts. And just bye till the next video. Now let's end it.